Please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to be notified of the latest videos. This is Sage for QUBE Media. Today we're covering ASX logistics shares to watch out for in September. In the recent years, the demand for cold chain logistics has been growing in Australia across different sectors like agricultural products. And as the government has been consistently investing in the infrastructure development, Australia's warehousing and logistic industry is likely to accelerate in the upcoming years. Large companies have shifted to consumers with technology driving growth. And with this, many logistics stocks have gained the spotlight in recent times. Let us walk you through 5 ASX logistics shares for September. Qantas Airways Limited. Qantas Airways deals with the operation of international and domestic air transportation services, shipping over 4,000 air freight items daily. The company faced a rough year in the financial year 21 due to COVID-19's pandemic, and as per its latest financial report released in late August, around 2/3 of the group's pre-COVID earnings resulted from domestic travel. The group's statutory loss before tax stood at 2.4 billion Australian dollars, and the underlying earnings before interest and tax, or EBIT, loss came at 1.5 billion Australian dollars. QUBE Holdings Limited. QUBE operates as one of the largest integrated providers of import and export logistics services in Australia, with presence over 130 locations. The company delivered a strong financial performance, achieving underlying net profit after tax, or NPAT, of 159.6 million Australian dollars for the year ended on 30th June 2021. The company's statutory revenue also went up by 14.5% and stood at approximately 2.2 billion Australian dollars. As a result of healthy earnings and strong financial position, the company also announced to pay a fully franked final dividend of 3.5 Australian cents per share. Wiseway Group Limited. With a market cap worth 51.19 million Australian dollars, Wiseway Group Limited operates as one of the leading freight forwarding companies in Australia. Wiseway marked a significant performance with a revenue jump of 23.5% and stood at 126 million Australian dollars for the year ended on 30th June 2021. Wiseway also reported that it has achieved its first full-year NPAT of 1.8 million Australian dollars since its listing in 2018. Wiseway also achieved very strong operating cash flows that stood at 7 million Australian dollars, up 83% from the prior corresponding period. CTI Logistics Limited. Established in 1972, CTI Logistics Limited is one of the leading transport logistics and business service providers in Australia. The transport provider highlighted a revenue growth of 11.1%, pegged at 239.04 million Australian dollars for the year ended on 30th June 2021. And both the net profit attributable to members and profit after tax attributable to members stood at 8.17 million Australian dollars. And CTI also announced to pay a final dividend of 2 Australian cents per share to its shareholders on the 3rd of September. K&S Corporation Limited. K&S Corporation Limited is one of the largest transportation, warehousing and logistics service providers in Australia. According to the company's latest financial year 2021 results, the statutory profit before taxes stood at 27.5 million Australian dollars for the year ended on 30th June 2021, 72.8% higher from the financial year 2020. And KSC also achieved 62.9% jump in its statutory profit after taxes that stood at 18.1 million Australian dollars. Now, despite the ongoing impacts of the COVID-19 pandemic, the company has significantly improved its balance sheet in 2021's financial year. If you like this information, please like, share and comment on the video below, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to be notified of the latest videos. For more information and regular updates, please head to the website QUBEmedia.com. Sage here for QUBE Media.